Packing for Hong Kong trip. One bag sorted, one bag. What is it? Oh, yeah, we can suss. Let's get this trip started. What's the time? I was being a basic bitch, so I'm not recording myself, I'm recording him. Hi. He's already done with my vlogging, so this is gonna be fun. What?
I hope they lose your baggage.
I hope they lose you. 1 hour before flight, and we start our itinerary planning. Hell yeah. This basic bitch has written an itinerary.
It's not an itinerary.
Yeah.
It's not an itinerary. It's just like a thought dump.
That's a fucking itinerary.
It's a
in
thought
my
dump.
eyes.
That's not
if
an
you
itinerary.
say this, fishing trail, town car temple, it's a fucking itinerary.
It's not an itinerary.
It's an itinerary.
It's not an itinerary.
Wait.
Kim Lobby, Laura Josh, Andrew Georgis, Margaret Ross.
They didn't say my name,
Yeah, they don't.
and they got your name wrong.
Who cares?
Andrew Georgis. But hey,
Good morning.
sorry. Sorry.
Just across this way.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is a customer page for a Ms. Kim DeCleaver and a Ms. Marielle
We forgot to remove air out of this, and Georgis doesn't want to support my decision of moving it. And we're gonna pop it. But I have an idea. I reckon we use this pin so it doesn't come. Because it is a pine. We don't want a gunshot sound. Bro, he's already
Hiding myself.
disowning me. Well, if you do get arrested, you want to do it in style, you know? Had one, and there's 2 more. Do you have anything to speak for yourself?
That's not the same word. I used to mean things to you.
hey, the continents are gonna make itself. I can still see you. Oh, can you see the book?
I actually can.
Tunnel vision in real life.
One word that I'm still stuck on.
Sorry, you can eat your ice cream and around 2 hours to 1 hour, 2 hours to destination. Dinner is served. Going through immigration. Let's go. Big queues. We love them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Damn,
Quite
thick.
No, they're quite nice. Wait. Yeah. Whoa. Have you been? Oh. That remind me. Taking that train to Hong Kong. You wanna say what you said now?
That is basically like Chatswood.
No comments? No comments? No comments?
Alright.
Probably not. No.
Like Seb always tells me is like you always get photos from Seb and Stan and they work here in Hong Kong and they're like, oh look, the new ETF listings getting advertised on the
We are here. We have to go. Here, 2 stops under the water. I'm under the water. And Hong Kong. Our apartment, but it looks like it's a whorehouse here. So hopefully, this is where we're. Wait, can I see? Can I see?
house.
Yeah. Oh my! Wait! Oh, you shower here, bro. Like, can you like? Wait, is it a line? Like, look at this. This shit is like, if I do this, I'm in. Bro. Wait, you shower where you shit.
Yeah, bro.
This whole fucking room. Oh, they have an adapter. Surely it works.
Osada was trying to call me. Hey, yo! No way.
That might work. I'll get settled.
I still don't have my charger.
Look who we bumped into. Get out of it.
Either 8 to the point you want they're rarely in between.
Because basically what happened is I did that. Then I got this cold. Then I just like continued the conversation.
Hell yeah. We are at Saddle's place. Say hi. Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh, you finished the puzzle.
I finished the puzzle.
Ow!
Do you
This
guys want
fucking.
my puzzle?